Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth in an instant pot. First, gather your essential ingredients, including several pounds of beef bones, aromatic vegetables like carrots and celery, and fresh herbs. Next, roast your beef bones in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until nicely browned. This crucial step deepens the flavor significantly. Finally, deglaze the roasting pan with 1 cup of water, scraping up all those delicious brown bits. Now, transfer all your roasted bones, vegetables, and the flavorful deglazing liquid into your instant pot. Add enough cold water to cover everything completely. Typically, this is about 8 to 10 cups. Secure the lid, set the vent to ceiling, and cook on high pressure for a minimum of 120 minutes. This extended cooking time under pressure extracts maximum flavor and nutrients from the bones. Once the cooking cycle is complete, allow the instant pot to naturally release pressure for at least 15 minutes. This helps prevent a sudden pressure drop and ensures a richer broth. After the natural release, carefully open the lid and strain the hot broth through a fine mesh sieve to remove all the large solids. For an even clearer broth, you can strain it a second time through a sieve lined with cheesecloth. After straining, allow your delicious homemade beef broth to cool completely to room temperature. This is crucial for safe storage. You can then refrigerate the broth in airtight containers for up to 4 days, perfect for immediate use. For longer storage, freeze individual portions in freezer-safe containers or ice cube trays. Frozen broth will maintain its quality for up to 3 months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.